Cool. Cool. Oh, okay. I get it.
6.5 hours later.
Wait, what does that even mean? What? The So this video is pretty casual. I'm just going to learn something and I thought why not just document this, because that's what I do in this channel, just documenting. And if you're not into code and stuff, you can just see this video as someone just trying to learn something and failing at things. And if you are into code, I am learning Redux today, which is a state management library which you can use in probably anything, but I'm going to use it with React. And if you are into React or wanting to learn React, you'll most probably run into this and have to use it at some point, because it is used in, where you have large things to make. So yeah, I just don't know what will happen. I just thought, let's just start recording this, and yeah, I'll go through my day and I'll just try to figure things out in this video. And the backstory is that I had just used Redux one time around in June or something during the start of 2021, but now I don't even remember that. And also that there is also something called modern Redux which has come up, and nowadays that is all everyone is using, not the old Redux. So that is something I have to also learn about. And yeah, I'll just try to figure things out in this video. Most probably you'll learn something from me trying to figure things out and failing. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so I want to learn something and I don't know what to do, so I'll just go to Google and type learn Redux. Now at this point I would definitely see all this is YouTube's great recommendation algorithm, and really it distracts me. Just let me know in the comments, do you just come to YouTube to search things and you just end up in this, watching this? That's why I've installed an extension here. And if you'll see, for example, if I just to learn Redux, you'll see that, and if I watch this video I'll not see any recommendations because I have installed DF distraction free for YouTube. Just search it and you'll find this. It just removes all this side recommendations, which is pretty good. Okay, so the thing is that I went through a lot of videos now, and kind of it's been an 45 minutes 50 minutes, but these videos just helped me remember how things worked and how the basics of it. But the thing is, what I found on YouTube is that most of the Redux things which are which are 1 year or 2 years old, they just use the normal Redux, which is great if you want to understand Redux, or you have to start with that normal Redux. But the thing is that I also want to learn the modern Redux. So I thought, okay, this YouTube thing is not working. It is, if I go and just watch a video, it will just take a lot of time. And if you know tutorial hell, I don't want to get into that, and I just don't want to get out of a 1 hour or something and just not know things. So the point is that I have decided what to do now. It is the thing that every real programmer does, and that is just read the docs. Yes, I know it's pretty boring because you have to just read and study the docs, but yeah, that's what you should do, I guess. When everything does not work out, that's the holy grail, that's the point, that's the source of every video. So why not just go through that? So now the plan is to just go through the Redux documentation and just try open a code editor on the side, as I learn things, try out things, get a lot of errors, get really frustrated, try to give up and leave my table and just get out of here, which I would, but I will also come back. Okay, so today is the second day of me learning this Redux thing, and at this point I can definitely explain to anyone what Redux is, because of yesterday's reading through the docs. And just I also, while reading through the docs, I'll also just recommend just open an editor, start writing the code, and just start getting errors and start trying to figure out, okay, how this works. Read the docs again, go back, okay, this is how it worked. And you just build that confidence by just getting through errors and building something even really simple. It just gets your hands dirty and you just feel really comfortable. So yesterday I just read through this part, like still the 10% of modern Redux, and at that point I was like, okay, this is too much. And then I just watched an episode of a series, which by the way is really good. Or I just keep myself telling that because I just don't want to tell me that, okay, you procrastinated. Okay, so the thing is that if you want to really learn something, just go through the documentation, because it really helps. And once you get into the habit of reading documentation, there is no chance you're jumping onto a video first. You'll definitely go through a documentation when you are trying to learn something, which is really good habit to have. So Redux documentation is really good. I would recommend totally to just start reading that, because you go from knowing nothing to knowing a lot of things, a lot of crazy stuff. So the next step what I'm thinking of is just making a good project with it, so that I can just solidify, okay, this is how this connection works. I can build these things with that. So building things is the next step. So yeah, that was me learning Redux and just documenting the process. And I guess I'll just end this video now, and do let me know in the comments, did you love this? And just let me know in the comments whatever you think. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Till then, have a great day and keep building.